Lezisebenzi zithi umqashi akazikhokhelanga imali ephelele kule nyanga njengoba bezilokhu ziteleka.
Umqashi unfair ukuthi avele athathe imali yenyanga yonke kwamanje singathi ukuthi strike siyophela nini. Kungenteka ukuthi sitawubuyela emsebentini inyanga ingakapheli, but then malanga lawo already akhathiwe emholweni wethu.
Asathi ukuthi sophila ngani, asikaholi lutho. Umqashi usithathele yonke imali lebe kufuna siphile ngayo inyanga. And malanga lawo besiwangenile asikabhadaleki kuwonke vele kuyabhetha kakhulu.
Thina nje besathi ukuthi umholo wethu uyo-affecteka kule nyanga letako. Mala akusabanga njalo tukwemqashi.
Izinyunyana zithi ngeke ziyeke ukhola lesiteleka izikhalo zezisebenzi zingakezwakali.
We are not shaken, we remain strong even if the employer have applied Tagari respond to us where it deducted our money without using the proper process. So what we are saying the position of the workers remains solid. We are strong, we are getting strong every day.
Umqashi usamile kulokhu akubeke ezithebeni.
We were at Durban last week. We're negotiating with the employer, hoping the employer maybe will bring something on the table that will actually impress or actually above what you have been offered before. But still the employer is not bringing anything.
Lemboni egaya ushukela iqashe abantu abangaphezulu kwamakhulu 3.